Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and behind the camera is my husband Marcel. Thank you so much for your continued support. Now this morning we are in Kabla again and we're going to be visiting Miss Rita because we had a donor who wanted us to get the remaining sheets of zinc. Originally she needed 14 and she got 4 already, and so thank God we were able through this donor to get her another 10 sheets. So we are going to be heading down now, and please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you'll be notified. Alright, so let's go. And also just to let you know, because what happened this morning, we would have gone to the hardware very early because we wanted to make sure that the time was cool and nice so we could do it in the morning down the hill. Now it's about 2:01, and what happened is that we would have left instructions at the hardware because there were no available vehicle to deliver it at the time. So they said we had to wait an hour. So we waited an hour. More than that, because that was from about 10 o'clock this morning. So we waited, and here we are now because what happened, the instructions that were left were not really followed because they were to call us before they actually made the delivery. However, they went ahead and made the delivery without us, and we had to go back to the hardware to find out. We've been calling, and because we were calling and not really getting any straightforward answer, they keep saying they would call us back and we didn't get that call, so we had to go back. And then by the time we went there, we heard that the delivery had already gone. So if, as you can see down here, are sheets of zinc, right? When I spoke to Miss Rita, some had already gone down. So here we are, nonetheless, you know, thank God it's still here. Yeah, so that's it. And I don't know where Miss Rita is. I don't know if she went down back because I think she was up here along with her son. So we're just going to walk and see if we meet them on the road. Miss Rita? Oh, I know I hear a voice. Oh. Hi, how are you? You're not on the work training today? No? You finish? So what you do now?
Go to school.
You go to school again? You start already?
No, tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow, which school you going?
Christian.
You go back to Christiana?
Yeah, grade 11.
Oh, you're doing what they call what? Oh, you're in grade 11, so you were in doing like the summer program thing. Was that it?
Yeah, work experience.
Work experience. Okay. Oh, so you're not in school today. You were supposed to go today and not go. Oh, school open tomorrow. Okay. Huh? So what you did I come up for? Not the zinc. Oh, you're tired? Are you bring down the 4 a while ago? Oh. Hi, morning. And have nice time round your door. Eh? Oh, hi. Hi, daughter. How are you? Okay.
Sit down, man. Where you go?
Oh, she want to run. Miss Rita, you look hot, so you hot up for? Huh? Oh, but you're not the fan on stage. Oh, she gone to school. Oh, wow. Oh, gosh. I know I said something wrong. Because, Marcel, remember, I was saying to you when I called Miss Rita to say we come in Monday. I was saying, I wonder if I tell her Sunday. But I don't know. I never said Sunday. I said tomorrow.
Sunday, yes,
Mr. Sunday? Oh, Lord. So why you didn't call me? I meant Monday. I meant Monday. My apologies. Me know I said, because I was saying to Marcel, I wonder if me tell Miss Rita tomorrow instead of, but here they know. But anyway, we're here.
Okay.
So, oh, I just him alone there.
Yeah, the other one gonna work.
Oh, so him just bring down the 4 sheet of zinc. So you're not ready to go for more? You make it up or hurt you? Oh Lord.
Carry 2, man. Carry 2 or 3.
Carry them lick. Carry them little. Why breeze will blow you away? It too light.
Yeah.
Oh.
Carry 3 this time.
So how's it been going, Miss Rita?
Well, I give thanks for my life.
Yes, absolutely.
And then going to school. Giving thanks.
Yes, yes.
And I go on.
Okay. So who get the separate hairstyle? Yeah? Oh, yes. Okay, okay. Okay, that's so nice. All right, so. Oh Lord, everybody. Also, yeah, what you know, say you don't have to there so that we can do this before you go. And guess what happened? We were waiting up the hill there. And they passed and come down, but the truck is not marked, so we don't know. But Marza was saying, I wonder if that's the truck. But we called the hardware and they were saying, oh, they don't know and so on. So we had to drive back out there. Only to, by the time we went into the store, they said they've gone down already. So now we have to just, you know, yeah, so. All right, so it's just for us to bring down the zinc. Guys, gentleman on the phone, ready for you. Ready for you right now. So where your other big son, Miss Rita? Oh, God. All right. All right, so we just wait for him right here and then we go down. Lord Jesus. Miss Rita, you see God bless you?
God let me say.
Oh, God.
Still me share, you know.
Eh?
Me always a share and thing me get me give.
Yes. Yes, man, so your blessing will come.
The other day me have one friend. She in America. But all the way she come, she always bring something for your big baby. But she bring some things this time, but them couldn't fit the big baby.
Okay.
So me just give one lady.
Yes.
She big, she about 12-year-old. So me just give them to her.
Okay, okay. Yes, man. It's in giving that you receive, you know that.
Yeah. And my grandmother always tell me, say, the people you give, you know, receive from them.
Yes.
Who you don't know anything about, you get from.
Absolutely. You look nice and you look fresh and nice, so Miss Rita. You should do this more often.
Okay.
You're finally here. Is how much this snow? At 2? I think you said the breeze gonna blow you away.
My daughter-in-law tell me, say she fix me up, man.
Okay, that's so nice.
She's 24, me feel look nice.
Oh gosh. Lord Jesus. All right. And I him one. He probably can't come back up right now for the rest. But then safe for them there, right, Miss Rita?
Yes, man.
Okay.
I'm in my house, you know.
Okay, okay. So your daughter who was just there, she's always been here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. She live in the vicinity up there too?
She live right up the road here.
Okay.
True, she work on farm. She work, the people when she work with work ground.
Oh, she work on a farm?
Yeah.
So what the farm and that the farm now?
Cabbage, tomato, carrot.
Oh, so what she do on the farm, Miss Rita?
Plant,
Oh,
reap.
Oh. That girl there that we just saw?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice. Okay. That's very good. Oh my gosh. So Miss Rita, me have to ask you this. Why then call down here so Jankaroos?
When me small, my grandmother say right out on the hill. No one never out there. I did one shack.
That's where we drove to come into the front part?
Yeah. So she say, one tree did out there. Pierre Junker used to pitch in a tree.
Oh.
So that's why they call it Junkaroos.
Jankaroos. So that's the unofficial name. The right name is
But
Dunkley's.
they changing out to Dunkley's Avenue.
Dunkley's Avenue.
Or Bennett Hill.
Oh, okay. You reach over fast then, look there.
Me light, you know?
Look how far he is. He almost reached.
Me light.
Oh, wow.
Because when me call you and tell you that the truck come, you know, right, he almost reach up with the 4 sheet of zinc.
Really? Oh, my gosh. He moved quick, man. He young, you know.
Frisky, man.
Oh, wow.
Me love them then.
Yes. Oh, Lord, that's very good. So you have your 14 sheets of zinc now, Miss Rita.
Yes.
One cocoa, full basket.
Full basket.
Yes, yes.
Every
So,
little make a muckle.
yes, man, absolutely. So we had one donor, and from the last video, this donor who wishes to remain anonymous, of course.
Okay.
You know, she heard where we said that, you know, you needed a total of 14,
Yes.
from which we brought you 4.
Okay.
Right? So she know that you needed 10 more sheets of zinc. And so she offered that, you know, she would donate, and she did. And as a result of that, as a result of her and her husband, we were able to purchase the remaining 10 sheets this morning and bring them to you.
Okay.
All right. When we went to the hardware, we realized, because based on the price the last time, we realized that there were some adjustments. So we had to make up the funds somewhat, Miss Rita.
Okay.
From pocket, of course. We had to make it up. It wasn't too plenty still, but we make it up. Okay. And so that we could just complete the transaction, because the delivery costs went up as well, and the zinc costs went up. Right? But, you know, thanks be to God, we were able to do that, and here we are now. So you are up to 14 sheets of zinc.
Yes.
So what you need after this would be the lumber,
yes,
which I believe from memory is 12 lengths.
Yes.
I believe. Right, Marza? Or you don't remember? I think it's 12 lengths.
12.
12, right, Miss Rita?
Yeah, 12.
All right, and then we weren't able to get any nails of such this morning, so next time around,
yes,
we'll be able to do so by God's grace.
Little
and then
by little. Little by little.
Little by little, yes, indeed. And so for the room now, Miss Rita, we'd need well, it's a room that has 2 windows and 2 doors, but the plan is to block out a door and a window. That's what we had said, right?
Yeah.
So instead of needing 2 windows and 2 doors, we're going to need 1 door, 1 window, and then some materials like block and cement to just...
you have block.
You have block, so just the cement.
Yeah.
And marl.
Yes.
Right. So if you're watching this video, based on what we have been saying, you know, and you're able to donate anything at all, because one cocoa full basket, anything at all you're able to donate will be greatly appreciated. All right, guys. And so, Miss Rita, we also want to say thank you to the donor and her husband and wife donor, who would have donated and make all of this that we're doing today possible. Thank you so much. Your efforts, your donation is greatly, greatly appreciated. And we are wishing for you God's richest blessings. And may your store baskets never be empty. All right. Okay, and so it looked like we reached. Wow. Oh my God. Oh Lord, thank you, Jesus, we reach. And the time is cool, because that's why we always try to come in the morning, Miss Rita.
Anytime cool.
Yes. So when we saw the sun come out this morning, this afternoon, we said, oh my God, the sun hot.
No sun.
But look at that. We walk down and, oh, the time is pretty cool. How the lights working out, Miss Rita?
All right.
Oh yeah? How the kids and the homework?
When every day rain fall. Sometimes one have 1, one have 2. but the shine same way.
Yeah, because remember it's solar, so once it's raining or the time overcast, you don't get as much charge.
I know that.
But once the sun is out and ready, you have enough energy to last you throughout the night.
Yeah.
All right.
You know, burn it through the night, you know.
You turn it off.
The one outside shine.
Inside?
Yeah.
Also, just turn off the one inside.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. All right, so those are the zincs over there. So he brought down 4 and then 2.
6.
So a total of 6 just come down. So you have 4 leave. All right, so we can't go in there, Miss Rita.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Okay.
Your bag there, brother.
Oh.
Keep your bag.
I didn't put them. I hope they don't fall over, you know.
No, man, they not drop over.
Oh, because I don't see this part lock with this part.
Don't they turn.
Yes, Marcel, they not mash up.
They not turn over.
Oh, okay, what's it? A drop over for the children. Okay, so see, 2 doors. 1 window there and another window where that bed is. Is that door? Is that door?
It's a one window.
Oh, it's because, yes. Okay, okay. Right. So this is what it looks like. And you have to go redo the floor, Miss Rita.
Yeah.
So, bit by bit.
Little by little.
Yes, yes, yes.
I
So,
appreciate anything anybody give.
yeah. And of course, I have to reiterate, thank you so much to the donor, and thank you to all the donors who would have contributed to Miss Rita's project. Overall, we thank you so much, and we're more than grateful, because without you, we're not able to do the work that we do. So thanks again, guys. Much love.
Thank you to the donors, wife and husband. Thank you very much. I am very appreciative of what you have done for me.
Yes, man, absolutely. All right, so guys, we just ensured that, you know, we purchased the items and they are on spot. No, Miss Rita, you know, we can't go really wait for, because he's resting. He has to rest and bring down 4 and him same tired because, yeah, the journey is long.
Yes.
So he has to just bring down rest until, you know, everything will come down. So, guys, thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Thank you for your continued support. And of course, Marcel is showing you what the roof looks like. And, you know, by God's grace, as soon as we're able to get the other materials, we'll be able to just take off this roof and replace it. You know, just so Miss Rita can move in. Not Miss Rita, but her children, yes, can move in. It's 10 and how old again?
10 and 8.
10 and 8. 10 and
16.
8. And 16, okay. All right. All right, guys, so with all of that said, one more time, a big thank you to everybody. Thank you so much. We're most appreciative. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching all the time and staying, you know, with sticking and staying, and persons calling to encourage us. We thank you so much for your continued support in every way, whether it be a donation, whether it be a telephone call. So we thank you so much. And with all of that said, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.